Okay, here we are, day 3 of the EWOT system. That's exercise with oxygen therapy. It's about 6 p.m. I'm getting ready to start doing push-ups. I'm going to do 100 push-ups. I've set a 15-minute time cap for this. You might notice that from yesterday I've added those 2 boxes, which I'm going to put my hands on and raise my chest up a little bit, mainly because the EWOT mask it protrudes from my face a few inches and it interferes with my motion. I can't get my face all the way down, so I'm just going to change it a little bit and see how it goes. To be honest with you, I really don't feel like doing this right now because I'm sore all over, including my tris and shoulders and lats and everything. But you got to do this every day, and you've got to get your intensity up for at least 15 minutes, and you got to be consuming a minimum of 10 liters a minute. Now that's a 600 liter bag that I've got there, and it's totally full, and the oxygen concentrator is going right now, generating 5 liters per minute. So in 15 minutes I'm going to go through about 675 liters of oxygen at a purity of at least 95%. So that should be enough to saturate my blood plasma with oxygen, which will supply, healthy oxygen and fuel to even the capillaries, the small cells in my body, the ones that are hard to reach, etc. So I'm going to hit my 15-minute timer and start doing some push-ups. I wanted to just stop right here for a second and draw your attention to what's happening. You can see that I've stopped doing push-ups because my muscles are tired, but I'm also deep breathing. So this is what we want. Even though I'm not actively working right now, just the fact that I'm deep breathing right now and consuming that oxygen is exactly what we want to go for. So when you hit that point, you're doing it right. And then as soon as your breath starts to come back down, start doing push-ups again. Anyway, you get the idea. I'm going to fast forward through the rest of these push-ups and skip to the end for a quick final analysis. I just want to talk about the numbers again for a second. My bag is about 600 liters. Plus the oxygen concentrator is running, adding another 5 liters per minute. So over 15 minutes, that adds another 75 liters. So the total amount of oxygen is 675 liters. Now I'm going to go through that in 15 minutes. And when I get done at the end of 15 minutes, the bag is empty. So the consumption rate is 45 liters per minute. But I'm really only breathing in half the time. And also some oxygen is probably lost when I exhale, when I blow out. So even if we cut that number in half, I'm inhaling 22 liters per minute, which is comfortably double the recommended intake amount. So everything worked out well. This is the 3rd night in a row that I've used my new EWOT system. I really like it. It works great. I think it would be helpful to have probably a treadmill. That's why everyone uses a treadmill. I don't really like the stationary bike. I love the treadmill because you can increase the incline of the treadmill, which really ups the intensity a lot without having to increase speed, because I don't really like running. So that might be a good idea, and I'll probably try a variety of different exercises as we move along. I'm just going to stick with push-ups for right now, because actually I have a cracked rib. So this is really the only exercise I feel like you can do right now without buying the treadmill. And I don't really want to buy a treadmill because I just bought this EWOT system. But I will leave a link to where I bought that in the description soon, so you can check that out. And I'm going to make another video talking about how much it costs for each of the parts and things of that nature, so you'll kind of know what your initial investment is going into it. And I'll also, as we move along day by day, I'll do a breakdown video of the benefits that I feel like I'm receiving, so you can see if it's worth it. And really, the effects of the EWOT system are accumulative. So as you go along, it's going to take 2 or 3 or 4 weeks before you really start to feel a difference in how this increased oxygen level affects your body and your mind and your mood. So we're going to continue to move along here. Just keep track and skip forward in the videos if you need to, just to find out how things are going. But stay tuned, more to come. Thank you.